I'm Katelyn Reimers, and I'm 12 years old, and I'm a 7th grader, and I've been volunteering as a bird bander.
About 4 years ago, I believe, I wanted to get to know my niece a little better, spend some time with her, and show her some really cool things out here, because I really enjoy birds, and she needed to know about birds too.
Bird banding is a method of monitoring birds by putting up nets and catching the birds, putting on uniquely numbered bands on those birds, and taking some data down, and then we release the birds.
We're looking at their stomach, their eyes, their head, their wings, just everything on them to see if they're a male, a female, what their age is. I feel like most of my friends don't really notice birds like I do. Like, they just kind of are just like, oh, it's just a bird. Nothing special about that, but I was like, there is something about birds, so.
It is really great to see how Katelyn has become proficient at the skills of bird banding. She's been able to get the birds out of the net in a way that goes beyond her years. And you can see as her skill of birding is also year after year. She's learning more of the birds. She's learning by sound some of the birds. So it's going to be kind of exciting to see what happens. I'm so happy to know that this was just one step in her becoming just a proficient budding biologist.